It's you for me. I got a crush on you, swear you my VIP. I'm like,
what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Y'all give me some likes, give me some subscribers, whatever y'all gotta do. Y'all, why it rained yesterday? You know, it was 4th of July. It rained yesterday. And for people who don't know, me and my man, we team drive trucks together, 18-wheeler semi trucks. Y'all, we got the truck parked at my mama's house, right? I'm gonna just show you. Now we got the tow truck. We holding up traffic. Y'all, you can tell the truck been parked there for a minute because look at the grass. Like, it's stuck because the grass is so soft. I don't know. Y'all, the devil be so busy. He be so busy. We supposed to be taking the truck to the shop. I don't know what you looking at. Stop looking at me. Lord have mercy. And the truck don't got no gas in it, so ooh, my mama gonna be mad about her grass. Man. Listen.
it's you for me. I got a crush on you, swear you my VIP. I'm liking what I see.
So y'all, today was supposed to be a little chill day. I was gonna go car shopping. I don't need a car, but you see the commotion in the background. Anyway, I don't need a car, but my man want to get me another car. I got a 2015, I think, Tahoe. I want to keep my car, but if he want to get me something newer, that's cool. We can do that too. But yeah, we've been sitting here about an hour waiting on a tow truck to come. Cause we drive trucks. That's our black truck. We drive trucks and whatnot. And we got it stuck. It was right here. You see where my mama grass messed up? It was parked right there. And it rained yesterday on the 4th of July. It rained, so the truck had got stuck. The whole time before the tow truck got here, y'all, the truck was running, everything. We just couldn't move it. Y'all, why when this man get here, the truck don't want to crank? You can't tell me that ain't nothing but the devil. This don't make no sense. But yeah, this is my car right here. And this is my man's car. He got the Mustang. He also has a truck, but he thinking that we trade both of our cars in to get one car. It'll lessen our payments and stuff. Cause right now we got 3 car notes. My car, his car, and then he got another truck. But like I said, I want to keep my car. I think I'm gonna keep my car. I don't know. Unless he get me like a Scat Pack Challenger or something, I'm keeping my truck. So I don't care what he say. It's hot out here. I got on a little simple outfit with my Crocs. It's hot. I'm about to go in the house because I'm sweating. I'm too big for these. Too big. Really. But after this, we gonna go to some car lots, look at some cars or whatever, and I'll see y'all when we get there. So y'all, we finally got the truck dropped off to the shop, and we did go look at some BMWs, but I just told my man I want to keep my truck. So now we out doing something to eat. Yeah, margaritas. So we about to leave the restaurant now. We good and full. About to go home and take a nap. I think he is too. So peace.